Hi, my name is Samuel Dorcil, and I'm a finance manager in a healthcare setting on my way to become a Linux system administrator. Being in healthcare, you see that there's a lot of needs in critical infrastructure industries. And so at my job, when I first got there, I had the opportunity to help uh, install a software, help the company transition to a scheduling software. And it was really interesting, that process. I wasn't really into IT at the time, but just seeing what's needed in the back end and on the user end, that was really interesting to me. And people just calling me for little things, help with their computer. Hey, can you know, download this new version of Internet Explorer, or help me with the printer, it's not working, connect my printer to the computer. Little things like that just kind of got me more apt to dealing with computers, if you would, or technology. And so when I heard about Yellowtail, I said, hey, sounds like a good opportunity to grow in that skill. And also because of COVID, I'm speaking when I had my career strategy session, learning about how COVID-19 has affected the job market and how IT is a really good industry to go into right now. Uh, it really encouraged me to look into trying the Yellowtail program. And so far, it's been good. I think some of the challenges I've experienced is just definitely trying something new. As humans, we don't like to try new things a lot of times. And sometimes you get some backlash as well, like, hey, you're already in this field, why don't you continue? And, with Linux itself, also the time, because, besides working full time and, I serve a lot, in my community with different groups and organizations. The time factor for the class itself is a key issue, but just the rewards and seeing other people in their journey, people I knew, friends or classmates, seeing them succeed and go forward, in a very short amount of time, that really just convinced me, saying, hey, if they can do it, why can't I do it? Yeah, what I'm currently experiencing, and I'm still in my current career, but what I've learned over the past year, if this pandemic has taught us anything, is that life is short. And so you don't have time to go to a job that you don't feel like you're reaching your full potential every day. And so, if your hand finds something good to do, do with all your strength. And I think that, we have to learn how to pivot. That's something we all have to learn as humans as well. So I would say go forward. It may seem scary. It may seem like it's different. It's weird, but you can do it. And Yellowtail is a very good support for that as well.